Today, we are going to take items like and this and make this. Let's get started. What you'll need to get started is a burlap sack, stickers, wooden clips, and hemp rope. This whole kit as shown can be bought on Amazon. The link is down in the description. You will also need bags of candy, and for the candy that does not come individually wrapped, little bags to put the candy in. Take the candy that needs to be bagged, like M&Ms, and separate them into decorative bags like this. Once you have done that, lay out the bags, separate the candy, putting it on top of each of the bags to ensure you have enough candy so that it is evenly distributed. Now, add the stickers and put the candy into each burlap sack and cinch the top. Make sure that the burlap sacks are in the order of the sticker number. Using the wooden clip, fasten the rope to the top of the burlap sack, clipping them in the order of the sticker numbers. After you have clipped all the burlap sacks, they are ready to hang. Let the Christmas countdown begin. See you later.